Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain one of the most popular technology used for modern web development, the MERN stack. Applications like Netflix, Uber, Instagram, and many other websites use technology like, like this to provide for fast user experience. In the next few minutes, we will understand what is MERN and how it works and why company use it. So let's get started. The MERN stack has four technologies. MongoDB store the data, Express handle the request, React build everything we see on the screen, and Node.js run the backend. The best part is all four use JavaScript, so developer can build the complete application using one programming language. Let's understand with the simple example. Suppose you have click on the Instagram like button. React send the request. Express pass it to Node.js. Node.js check what need to happen. MongoDB save the data. And finally React update the screen instantly. This entire process happen in just a few milliseconds. That's how MERN stack works behind the scenes. Before MERN, developer had used different technologies for different parts of websites. That's made development slower. Projects become harder to manage, and fixing bugs also take more time. MERN was introduced to make this process much simpler. MERN makes development much easier. One language, faster coding, easy updates, and better teamwork. Because everything works together, developer can build application much easier and much faster. Many companies prefer MERN because it is fast, reliable, and cost effective. It is has very large developer community. So finding solution, learning resources, and skill developer become much easier. That's why both startup and large companies use MERN. There are many good technologies like Django, Laravel, Spring Boot, and Next.js. Each on one is on strength. But if you want to build modern web application using JavaScript, MERN is one of the best choice, especially for beginners. Today, MERN applications are much smarter than before. Developers now use cloud services, fast storage, and AI tools to build faster, smarter, and better applications. MERN is growing along with modern technologies. Today, MERN can easily work with AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. This help developer build the chatbots, smart search, AI assistant, and many other intelligent applications. MERN is used in many industries like healthcare, banking, shopping websites, online learning, project management, and AI applications. Every month project start within an idea. That's come the begin. After that, developers write the code, test everything, and finally deploy the application. Even after launch, the application keep improving with new updates. It is more simple and advanced. To build a good MERN project, keep your code clean, organize your files, and also test your application time to time, and always the validate user input. These small habits helps create the better software. Some common mistake are writing value writing very large components, ignoring security, speaking validation, and pure folder organizations. Avoid these mistakes makes your project easier to manage. The future of MAN looks very exciting. AI, cloud technology, smart application, and modern development tools are making MERN even more powerful. Learning MERN today is still great choice. MERN is simple to learn, powerful to use, and one of the best technology for modern web development. Keep learning, build real project, practice regularly. Thank you.